What is going on, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video on wetsuit repair and what have I used, what has worked, what hasn't, and hopefully get something out of it. So I first went on Amazon and bought this stuff. It didn't work. I would not recommend this. 500 psi black neoprene cement. So yeah, don't use this. This did not work for me. It was a brown, it kind of dried brownish and it was kind of flaky. And then I went to the surf shop here in Norway and bought some Black Witch. And this stuff I would recommend. And before I go too into this, I'm surfing with a O'Neill Pyrotech. It is a 5.54 or 5 millimeter or 5.4, however you want to say it. All my surfing is cold water surfing in Alaska and Norway. And I've recently just started using this, so this isn't a long time test video. This is just how it's been for me these last few surf sessions. It's held up and I do recommend it. So, and I'll show you some of these patches that I've done. Hopefully it focuses on there and you can kind of see. But yeah, you can see that patch. I had to patch over that crap I bought off Amazon. It's holding up beautifully so far. Here's another patch. And this wetsuit is about done. I'm just gonna make it into my backup wetsuit. I just ordered an XL dry lock for like 500 bucks off Evo. Sent that to Alaska because Norway is crazy expensive for stuff. Here's another patch I've done on my booty. It's held up super nice. And I'm also going to show you guys how to patch it, or how I do anyways, and how it dries. And then I'll film that tomorrow when it's dried. Here's a few holes I've patched. And you can patch the inside too, obviously, on the seams. Here's another one. Hopefully this GoPro focuses. Here's another kind of a big hole. And the dude at the surf shop told me this is kind of a filler. There was a huge patch that I filled. Yeah, I took off my wetsuit and this just totally ripped at the seam just because of how old this is. But I filled this. I can't really stretch this and show you how well it's working, but this is totally secure now. And I might do another coat. Probably needs one, but yeah, it's working great so far. That's pretty much it. They gave you two of these little brushes. I have not used this, so I cannot say that this is good or not, but this Black Witch is great. And now I'll get my mouthpiece so I can use both my hands and seal some stuff. So before you make these patches, let this completely dry. Wash in the shower. Whatever you do, rinse it off. Let it dry inside out. Next day, turn it right side in. And then you patch it. Don't try to do this while it's a little damp or wet, because it won't dry right. Yeah, and I just blob it on there. And with this, I just kind of press it down and make sure there's no like ugly tails, but this is pretty much pretty decent. I'm happy with that. So, for rips and tears, for some filler in your wetsuit, I'd recommend Black Witch. This stuff has been doing great so far and will save you.